Hello, in today's math tutorial, we want to find the volume and the total surface area of this solid figure. First, we need to understand that this is a prism, a trapezoidal prism. And generally, the volume of all prisms is the product of the area of its cross section and the length, in this case the length. Now for this particular figure, it is area of the cross section times the length, which is 40 centimeters. However, the cross section is a trapezoid or a trapezium. So we need to first find the area of the cross section, that is the area of the trapezium. And to do this, we have brought the trapezium out and we draw the perpendicular to BC from D, called the meeting point on line BC N, such that DN is H centimeters and NC is X centimeters. We have BN to be 12 centimeters parallel to AD in that rectangle, while BC is 12 plus X centimeters. Now from triangle CND, we have that sine 30 degrees is H over 12 centimeters, opposite over hypotenuse. That's half equals to H over 12 centimeters, meaning that H is 12 centimeters divided by 2, H is 6 centimeters. Now from the same triangle, using Pythagoras theorem, we have that X squared is going to be 12 squared minus H squared. That is 12 squared minus 6 squared, which is 144 minus 36, 108. X is then going to be square root of 108, which is 6 root 3 centimeters. That this line BC is going to be 12 plus 6 root 3 centimeters. And that area of the trapezoid will then be half times the sum of the two parallel sides, that is AD plus BC, then times the height H, which is DN, and that is half into brackets 12 centimeters plus 12 plus 6 root 3 centimeters, then multiplying 6 centimeters dn. Half of 6 is 3, so 3 times 24 plus 6 root 3 centimeters squared is the area. Factoring 6, we have 18 into brackets 4 plus root 3 centimeters squared as the area of the trapezoid, or in decimal we have 103.1769 centimeters squared, thus giving us the volume of the trapeze of the shape, the prism, to be 103.1769 centimeters squared times 40, and that is 4127.08 centimeters squared, cube approximately 4127 centimeters cube. Now this is the net of the prism in order to get the total surface area. The right face is a trapezoid, likewise the left face, and in fact the two of them have the same area, being the cross section. The shape at the top is the top rectangle in the net, followed by the one at the back. The third one is the bottom rectangle, while the last is the rectangle at the front of the figure. Now the top rectangle has a length of 40 centimeters and a width of 12 centimeters. The back rectangle, 40 centimeters in length, 6 centimeters, that's the H in width. the bottom rectangle 40 centimeters in length and 12 plus 6 root 3 centimeters in width, while the front rectangle also 40 centimeters in length and 12 centimeters in width. So let's find the areas of each of them in order to get the total surface area. So total surface area is going to be the area of the two cross section, the two trapezoids, added to the areas of the four rectangles, 6 faces in all. Now for the two trapezoids, we already have their area while calculating the volume. So area of one trapezoid while we were calculating the volume was 103.1769 centimeters squared. So the area of the two trapezoid is just going to be 2 times the area of one, and that is 206.3538 centimeters squared. Now let's find the area of the rectangles one after the other. So area of the top rectangle, area of rectangle is length times width, so that's going to be 40 centimeters times 12 centimeters, that's 480 centimeters squared. For the back rectangle, the rectangle at the back, the area is going to be 40 centimeters times 6 centimeters, that's 240 centimeters squared. Area of the bottom rectangle, that will be 40 centimeters times 12 plus 6 root 3 centimeters, that's 40 centimeters times 12 plus 6 root 3 is 22.39 centimeters, and that is going to give us 895.6 centimeters squared. And finally, area of the front rectangle, that one is going to be 40 centimeters times 12 centimeters, another 480 centimeters squared. So now we can find the total surface area of this trapezoidal prism. It's going to be the sum of the two areas of the two trapezoids, 206.3538 centimeters squared, the top rectangle 480 centimeters squared, 240 centimeters squared for the back rectangle, 895.6 centimeters squared for the bottom rectangle, and 480 centimeters squared for the front rectangle. Adding them together gives 2301.9538 centimeters squared as the total surface area of the shape, which is approximately 2302 centimeters squared. That's to the nearest centimeter squared. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell.